So exercise 3.7, question number 7, fifth part. It is a special type of question. What is special in this question? Coefficient of x in first equation is same as coefficient of y in second equation, and coefficient of y in first is same as coefficient of x. तो अगर ऐसे वाले numbers बड़े हों और coefficients interchanged हों, so what we have to do? उनका method क्या होता है? Once we have to add the equations and once we have to subtract the equation, तो equations बहुत simple हो जाएंगी. अदरवाइज ऐसा नहीं है कि आप इनको नहीं सॉल्व कर सकते. अगर आप इस इक्वेशन को 378 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे और इसको 152 से करोगे देन आल्सो ये पर्पस विल बी सॉल्व्ड. लेकिन सिंपल बनाने के लिए हमें क्या करना है कि ये दोनों इक्वेशंस को एक बार ऐड करना है और एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो इक्वेशन नंबर 1 प्लस इक्वेशन नंबर 2, व्हाट विल बी देयर आफ्टर एडिशन? वन इज पॉजिटिव, वन इज नेगेटिव, तो क्या हो जाएगी इनकी सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो माइनस 378 प्लस 152, इट इज minus 226x. Similarly here numbers are same, so it is minus 226 into y is equal to, इनको भी हमें ऐड करना है. आफ्टर एडिशन इनका टोटल हो जाएगा विद नेगेटिव साइन 678. Now you can see here we can take minus 226 common in the bracket x plus y, because negative sign we have taken common, is equal to minus 678. So now negative negative, because it is the product of two numbers x plus y. जब आप इसको simplify करोगे it will be single number, so we can cut 226 and 678, so it will be 3 here. 226 into 3 is 678, or you can check it by division also. So we are left with x plus y is equal to 3. It is equation number A. Now what is the second procedure? First में क्या किया? Add किया. Now we have to subtract the two equation. Equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So here we have written equation number 1 and equation number 2. So after subtraction, what will be there? Sign of the second equation are changed. Plus यहाँ पे हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे negative. Negative था, that will be converted into positive. Now 378 plus 152, it is 530x minus, because both are negative sign, minus 530y. Addition of these two is equal to, इनको ऐड करेंगे तो one is positive, one is negative, it will be subtracted. So 530. Again throughout the equation we can take 530 common. So in the bracket what is left from here? X minus and here y is equal to, it is also 530. Now 530 and 530 इनको हम कट कर सकते हैं. So we are left with x minus y is equal to 1. तो हमारे पास ये second equation होगी. Let it be equation number B. Now we have to solve equation number A and B simultaneously. Both are linear equations in two variable. So you all know the method. Any of the three methods you can use. So what is there? Equation number A plus equation number B. दोनों को हमने ऐड किया. कल हमने यहाँ तक कर लिया था already. So equation number A plus B, दोनों को जब हमने ऐड किया, one is x plus y is equal to 3, second is x minus y is equal to 1. So plus y and minus y, these are cancelled out. X plus x is 2x is equal to 3 plus 1 4. So x is equal to, यहाँ पे 2 and 4 कट हो जाएंगे. X is equal to 2 is the first answer. Now we have to find the value of y. We can substitute x is equal to 2 in any of the equation A or B. I am going to put in equation number A. Put x is equal to 2 in equation number A. So what will be there in place of x? Put the value 2 plus y is equal to 3. So value of y will be So put x is equal to 2 in equation number A. 2 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 2. So value of y is 1. So therefore we have the solution. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. It is not compulsory to adopt the same method. आप simple method से भी कर सकते हो, बस calculation थोड़ी heavy हो जाएगी. Answer will remain same. Now next questions we are going to do by cross multiplication method. Otherwise, here no special name of the method is mentioned, but we are going to do that question with the cross multiplication method. I hope you all have done this. Should we move further? In case of any doubt, you can raise your hands. Now question number 7, second part. These two equations here already given. That is ax plus by is equal to c and bx plus ay is equal to 1 plus c. So we are going to do it by cross multiplication method. So you all know what is cross multiplication method. In that method, we have to write the equations in standard form. तो उसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? In the form of ax plus by plus c की form में, means constant term will also be on this side. So which implies ax plus by minus c is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. And from here, dx, it implies bx plus ay minus 1 plus c is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 2. It is your choice. You want to write the whole constant term in the bracket or open. आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. और second way क्या है? You can write it as minus 1 minus c also. Clear? It is your wish. Now we have to apply cross multiplication method. So what is there? 2, 3, 1, 2. You all must be knowing. So what is there? Here x and then coefficients कौन से आएंगे? Then y and then 1. So here यहाँ से हम start होंगे coefficient of y, second term b and then coefficient of y in second equation is a. Next is minus c, then minus 1 plus c in the bracket, or you can write it as minus 1 minus c. Then after that a and then b, after again b and then a. It is not compulsory to write it in every question. जब आपको practice हो जाएगी, you can avoid it. Directly you can write the equations. So which implies x over. अब इनकी multiplication करेंगे हम cross multiplication b into. अब यहाँ पे negative sign है. So b into this number minus b into 1 plus c. Negative sign मैंने यहाँ पे लगा दिया. Minus b into 1 plus c. Then change of sign यहाँ. Minus a into minus c is equal to y over, again cross multiply these. Minus c into b, we can write minus bc. Then minus, again here it is negative, minus 1 plus c into a, bracket closed, is equal to, अब हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, इनको मल्टीप्लाई किया और जब यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई किया तो साइन change, means minus minus it will become positive, is equal to 1 over a into a is a square minus b into b is b square. I hope up to here you all must be knowing. Now we have to simplify it. X over, it will become minus b minus bc minus minus plus ac is equal to y over, here minus bc minus minus plus a into 1 is a into c is ac is equal to 1 over a square minus b square. After that, next step is comparison of term with x and constant term and then term with x and y and constant term. हम इनकी comparison पहले करेंगे, ठीक है? So what is there? x over minus b minus bc plus ac is equal to 1 over a square minus b square. Which implies value of x is equal to minus b. Then here in these two, AC positive have, we can take it first, that is plus AC minus BC divided by A square minus B square. And further it can be written as x is equal to minus B plus C in the bracket A minus B over A square minus B square. If you solve it up to here, then also you will get full marks. Agar aapne common nikalna hai, then you can do like this. So value of x we have found minus b plus c into a minus b over a square minus b square. Now similarly we will find the value of y. उसमें क्या करेंगे? We will compare ये वाली term containing y and constant term. So moving further, I hope you all have noted. Although in the question it is not asked to solve it by cross multiplication, but you should know this method. आपको सारे questions इस method से आने चाहिए. Clear? So now the value of y. Now what we have to do? We will compare the term containing y, this one, and the constant term. So here y over minus bc plus a plus ac is equal to 1 over a square minus b square, which further implies the value of y is equal to, ये term दूसरी तरफ shift हो जाएगी after cross multiplication, minus bc plus a plus ac over a square minus b square. So further we can write the value of y as AC positive term को पहले AC लिख लिया minus BC plus A over A square minus B square. यहाँ तक करोगे तो भी आंसर राइट है. So it is equal to C common A minus B plus A over A square minus B square. So these are the values of x and y. So therefore, x is equal to minus b plus c into a minus b over a square minus b square, and value of y is c into a minus b plus a over a square minus b square. After this question, we are going to start fourth part. Question number 7, fourth part. Fourth part. Write the statement first. I hope you all have noted this question. Now we are going to start question number 7, fourth part. Now here you are given two equations. You can see these are not in standard form. तो इनको हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लाने के लिए सारे एक्सप्रेशंस को एक तरफ और दूसरी तरफ जीरो, ठीक है, सारी टर्म्स एक तरफ हो जाएंगी। सो व्हिच इंप्लाइज, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को आपने स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में जब लिखना है a minus b into x, x का कोएफिशिएंट a plus b into y, term containing y, here it will become minus a square minus minus it will become plus 2ab then plus b square is equal to 0। क्लियर? अब ये आपकी मर्जी है, आपने इसको ऐसे लिखना है और व्हाट इज द सेकंड वे, ये होल टर्म एज इट इज और यहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन a square minus 2ab minus b square, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, इट इज योर चॉइस। So next is, let it be equation number 1 and second equation जो है यहाँ पे x plus y, इनका एक कॉमन फैक्टर निकाला हुआ, कोएफिशिएंट निकाला हुआ, उनको हम सेपरेट करेंगे। So a plus b into x, ये फर्स्ट टर्म होगी, plus b into y whole a plus b multiplied by x first term, a plus b multiplied by y second term, then minus a square minus b square is equal to 0, let it be number 2। Now we have converted these two equations into standard form. Now here we can apply cross multiplication। So what is that? Here x, अब यहाँ पे सेकेंड टर्म 2 3 1 2 इसको नहीं भूलना, सेकेंड टर्म इज y के कोएफिशिएंट जो है यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हम, इन बोथ द केसेस इट इज a plus b एंड देन कांस्टेंट टर्म्स जो है दैट इज minus a square plus 2ab plus b square and minus a square minus b square is equal to, now here y over, इसके बाद आपको ये वाली टर्म लिखनी है दैट इज a minus b then a plus b, ये टू टर्म्स हो गई, then is equal to 1 over, at the last again we have to write a plus b and a plus b, now cross multiply, so x over a plus b into minus a square minus b square, then minus a plus b into this whole term that is minus a square plus 2ab plus b square, clear? Then y over, what is there again here इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लिकेशन, so we can write it as a plus b, ये वाली टर्म into ये वाली टर्म into minus a square plus 2ab plus b square, then minus इन दोनों की प्रोडक्ट, so here we can write minus, it is minus a square minus b square into a minus b। Now we are to find next is equal to is equal to 1 over so here again cross multiply these, a minus b into a plus b minus a plus b into a plus b, I hope up to here it is clear to all of you। Now again we have to simplify these, इनको हम फिर से सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे। नाउ x ओवर जो x के नीचे आपने लिखा है उसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है। May I erase this upper lines? May I erase? So it will become x over now you can see here a plus b or a plus b. We can take a plus b common. हम दोनों में a plus b जो है उसको कॉमन ले सकते हैं। a plus b यहाँ से और a plus b यहाँ से। So it will become a plus b common inside the bracket. What is there? Minus a square minus b square. Then here minus sign. इनके साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे जब हम माइनस से इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। सो माइनस माइनस प्लस ए स्क्वायर देन माइनस 2ab देन माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू y ओवर, अब यहाँ पे इट्स अ लॉन्ग मल्टीप्लिकेशन, वी कैन कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन, is equal to y over, now here a minus a square, इनकी जब हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी की हुई है, सो इट इज a प्लस b, पहले इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे फिर a माइनस b को a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। बिफोर दैट वी कैन टेक माइनस हियर कॉमन और इनके साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे। वी कैन राइट, अब पहले a से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे होल टर्म की, सो a इंटू minus a square, it will be minus a cube then plus 2a square b plus ab square। क्लियर? क्या किया हमने, जो y की टर्म है a की मल्टीप्लिकेशन इस पूरे ट्राइनोमियल के साथ, उसके बाद b की मल्टीप्लिकेशन पूरी ट्राइनोमियल के साथ, सो इट विल बिकम b into minus a square minus a square b plus 2a b square then plus b cube. Now after that here minus minus will become plus. Now it will become, ये जो हमारे पास टर्म है ये आपके पास हो जाएगी a square plus b square, क्योंकि नेगेटिव साइन बाहर है। क्लियर? सो here a square plus यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या हो जाएगा a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर, इन दोनों को जब आप नेगेटिव को नेगेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर। क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे आपके पास जो वैल्यू आ गई a स्क्वायर इंटू a, दैट इज प्लस a क्यूब देन b स्क्वायर इंटू a प्लस a b स्क्वायर देन b इंटू a स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर b then b into minus b into b square, that is minus b cube. Now you can see here a square plus b square को आपके पास यहाँ पे हो गया a square plus b square, उसको हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया a minus b के साथ, a into a square a cube, a into b square ab square, here b into a square with the negative sign, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे इसको minus a square b। ठीक है, minus a square b then minus b into b square minus b cube। Now constant term is equal to 1 over, what is the constant term, a minus b into a plus b, it will be a square minus b square then minus a plus b whole square, minus a plus b whole square को जब आप एक्सपेंड करोगे it will be a square, क्योंकि नेगेटिव साइन बाहर है, minus a square minus b square minus 2ab a plus b whole square will be positive, नेगेटिव साइन बाहर है तो सारे नेगेटिव हो जाएंगे. If any doubt is there, then you can ask. Now we have solved these three. Now find the value of x, y, and z. Now from here, a square with negative sign, a square positive, ये कट हो जाएंगे. अब इनमें से जो कट होता है उनको कट करेंगे. माइनस ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर कट हो जाएंगे. अब आपके पास क्या रहेगा? x ओवर a plus b into b square negative sign, that is minus 2b square, then minus 2ab is equal to y over, now you can see here, a cube, then one more a cube. अब यहाँ पे a cube, b cube and minus b cube. So here in the first, here negative sign a cube, clear? और यहाँ पे आपके पास a cube with positive sign, इनको हम कट कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद आपके पास है b cube minus b cube, ये भी कट हो जाएंगे. Next is here 2a square b and here 1a square b with negative sign and second a square b, तो ये आपस में कट हो जाएंगे. Next is ab square, 2ab square, how many? It will be 3ab square plus one more ab square, 4ab square, y over 4ab square, बाकी सारे कट हो जाएंगे, is equal to 1 over, now you can see here a square minus a square कट हो जाएंगे, so you are left with minus 2b square, b square minus b square, then minus 2ab, minus 2ab. Now next is, I hope आपको here clearly all, which implies x over a plus b. In these two, what we can take common? Minus 2b can be taken common, then b here plus, अगर इन दोनों में से हम minus 2b कॉमन ले लेते हैं तो आपके पास क्या रह जाएगा? b plus a is equal to y over here 4ab square is equal to 1 over minus 2b common in the bracket b plus a, b plus a. Now we have to compare the term containing x and constant term and then term containing y and constant term. So first of all we will compare first and last. So what is there? X over a plus b into minus 2b into again a plus b, that is a plus b whole square लिख सकते हैं हम, is equal to 1 over minus 2b into b plus a can be written as a plus b. अब इनमें minus 2b कट हो जाएगा, a plus b भी कट हो जाएगा, so you are left with x is equal to a plus b. आपके पास x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. Now we have to compare y and the constant term, term containing y and the constant term. So what will be there? Y over 4ab square is equal to 1 over minus 2b into b plus a. So now here 4 और 2 आपस में कट हो जाएंगे, 2 2 are 4, but there will be negative sign. So value of y will be 4ab square over minus 2ab into a plus b. Which implies y is equal to 2 to the 4, a से a कट हो गया और b से b कट हो गया. अब आपके पास इसकी वैल्यू कितनी रहेगी? It is 1 over 2b. It is 1 over 2b. Here a is not there. Minus 2b. b से b कट हो जाएगा. स्क्वायर कट हो गया b से. Clear? Or 2 to the 4. A will remain as it is. So value of y is minus 2a into this b over a plus b. तो ये आपके पास दो वैल्यूज आ गई x और y की. Therefore, x is equal to a plus b and y is equal to minus 2ab over a plus b. If any doubt you